Hey everyone, today we're checking out this garden rat trap. I picked up the 2-pack, so let's see how this works. Now, opening it up, like I said, this is a 2-pack, so you get 2 rat traps inside. The build feels very strong and durable. It's made of plastic, but not that cheap, flimsy kind. This feels like it's actually built to get the job done. Another big plus is that it's reusable. At the bottom here is the bait compartment. You put your bait inside, then slide it closed from underneath. Now, let's talk effectiveness. For demonstration purposes only, I'll be using this plushie. As you can see, it is instantaneous. The trap snaps shut and it's caught immediately. To release, all you do is press the release from the back and that's it. No touching, quick and easy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.